So, hello and welcome my friends. I am your Sandeep sir and you are watching MLT tutorial by Sandeep sir. So, you must subscribe this channel so you can get the next video's notification. In this lecture, I am going to define you about among the paramedical courses I am repeatedly suggesting you about the medical laboratory technology, because there are more job prospects. In the earlier videos I have defined you about the medical courses, that is the paramedical medical laboratory technology course, that is the certificate course, diploma course, degree courses, master degree courses, and the institute provides the degrees. In the second video I have defined you about what are the jobs are waiting for you and your job providers who are going to provide you the job, and your entrepreneurship and your targeted monthly income, that is the expected monthly income. In this video, as per my style, that is anything I put in a diagram. In also about the chapters, you can follow me in my videos that I put everything in the diagrammatic manner. So in this video again I am going to serve you a diagram where you can easily you can self-define that what is the job prospect in this area. So I have just assumed about the hospital which has a 500 bedded hospital, that may be multi-speciality and super speciality, whatever. Diagnostic lab which has a sample volume of 500 samples per day. About the private blood banks who are dealing with 500 blood units. Blood bags are not called, the perfect word is the blood units. So 500 units, they are dealt with 500 units per day. Academy, where students studying medical lab technology, assuming that there are 100 students and a medium scale research lab. So in the medical lab you can find there are many sections, about 8 to 10 sections in the, and after automation of the laboratory, but manpower is still required, because to check the reports and correlate the reports in various steps, more than one step, so there are more requirement of the manpower. So what are the manpowers here? So number one is the medical lab technology. Medical lab technology consists of phlebotomist, yani the person who taking blood, lab assistant, laboratory technician, laboratory superintendent or laboratory officer, quality QC is quality QC manager, quality control manager, F is technical officer, G is demonstrator in the institutes, lecturer in the institutes, and the research fellows in the research labs. So you can see here that this much is the expected volume of manpower is required in this area. So you can see the more manpower is required in the blood bank, because the blood bank is the very sensitive manner. So here you can see that where the phlebotomist is required in the lab is 10 to 15, whereas in a blood bank 30 to 40. A lab technician required in a lab is 30 to 60, whereas blood bank requires 60 to 80 technicians, because blood bank is running round the clock, 24 hours. So many people are required more in the blood bank. So you can see up to this red ink mark that this much is required for the area of the medical laboratory technology aspiring students. Whereas in the other paramedical field, that is the radio imaging, that is mainly the specialized job like ultrasonography, like that, these are performed by the doctors, and radio imaging, the technicians are performing that is includes X-ray, CT scan, MRI, like that. So radio imaging also requires some number of peoples. Physiotherapy is another paramedical course where physiotherapist requirement is very low. Optometrists who are assisting eye surgeons and eye clinicians to check mainly to check the power of the eyes and to some eye related tests. So optometrists are required very small number. OT technician or perfusion technician who are making OT sterilized, equipment sterilized and the life cycle supporting equipment in order. So dialysis technician, dialysis is the process where some high creatinine, especially chronic renal failure cases require 2 to 3 times dialysis per week. So dialysis technicians also required, but nothing in the other fields. Only in the hospitals they are required. Cath lab technician who are assisting with the intervention surgery of the heart, that is the cath lab technicians. That is the critical care technology that is related with emergency services, emergency patient, especially the trauma patients, and ECG technicians who are mainly echocardiography. This is very much used to courses, and the radiotherapists to help in the process of treating cancer by radiation, treating cancer cells or killing cancer cells by X-ray, by radiations. So radiotherapist also required in the hospitals also and also in the research subject. So you can see, you can easily compare that this much is required for career opportunities for the medical laboratory technology aspirants. Whereas in the other 9 fields, can't compare with this much medical lab technology. So I think this video is very useful to you, and you should go to the description where I have put all my previous videos about the courses of medical lab technology, and there is enter video. You must go with your guardian and see the videos, and also put me some comment for me, and for the next video you must wait. So thank you for today.